That's a Ford.
Ford, I can tell by the mirror.
Okay, spectator side with a 4.753. Pit side with a 5.7.
What spectator side?
8.4. Alright, you guys know how to run when you turn the stage light on. Hold, right there. Okay? Alright, there you go. Go! Okay, pit side come through first with a 5.065. Spectator side with a 4.742.
I don't know, to be honest with you.
Should say the tower side.
Yep.
Should say the tower side. Right. You got spectators on both sides.
Right, yeah, that confuses me.
He wanted a Toyota, didn't he? Got one now.
Yeah. Gonna pick on the wrong Toyota. This is pit side.
056. And Mr. OB on the pit side, spectator side.
Oh, okay, that's spectator side.
And Mr. Side with a 4.442.
Time before was a 4.4. Jump the red light. They're going to have to run them out of here.